The second step of our tutorial is extending the Hello World application. So you see that this code looks mostly the same. So we have a new file called main_arguments.java. Again, we repeat the name of the file as the class name. We have the public static void main, that's the same. But now we're going to use the string arguments given here. So as you can see, we have a string. That means that this contains text, but actually it's an array of strings. So this args variable will contain a list of strings or an array of strings. So what we're first going to output is how many arguments are given to the application. So we use the length value of the arguments. And if it's greater than 0, then we want to output the first argument. And we are asking index 1 of this array. And then we are going to repeat it again for all the other values, for the remaining values. This could be done differently, of course. It's just an example playing with arguments and arrays and how you loop through them. So here we want the first one, index 0, and then we go through the other ones and we use the length value again of this arguments array and have an incrementation of this I to loop through all of them. Now let's start this application. So again, I need Java and the name of the file, and it tells us no arguments are given. Indeed, we didn't mention anything after the command. So if we now extend our command and we say test hello world Foojay and enter, then it tells us that we have 3 arguments, indeed test, hello world and Foojay. The first one is test, and then we loop through all of them.